Hello there, and welcome to my showreel. Most of you may be aware by now that I created a game called Chibushi, and I will be showing you exactly the creative process during that. First off, the characters were created on paper, at which point they were scanned and imported into Photoshop one by one. They were all coloured in, including the agent, the first general, the second general, the third general, and also the two last characters, which is the general and also your character, the Chibushi. So again, started off in paper and then was scanned in and coloured in Photoshop. This also includes the map. It started off on paper and it was coloured in to create that oriental feel inside Photoshop. The animations for my game were created in Adobe Flash Professional. That means I had to go to the timeline and set a path for the characters to move in. As well, I created death bars so there would be no cheating underneath, which involved writing action script code, so your health was depleted, in which if you tried to cheat or lost your health you would die. If you got to the top, however, and versed the general and defeated him, then you would win. And if you didn't like the music and you wanted to turn it off, you just press the button and this code would do that for you and remove all the sound for you. Next, my 3D animation. In Maya, I was asked to create a startup screen for a console of my choosing, and I chose the Xbox 720. First off, the plans had to be drawn out on paper, square by square, of how your animation would look like. I ended up doing 2 of these and ended up choosing the first one, as it was easier for me to do in Maya. It involved having a green X for Xbox getting bigger in the screen, and the words "the next revolution of gaming" would appear at intervals, along with the X getting bigger, which created a sense of heightened importance that the Xbox was coming. Now let's watch the finished product after it was rendered in Maya. Next, I'll move on to some other work that I did whilst at college. If you go to the website which you see on your screen, you will come to a website which I had to design at college. It was done in HTML and it was about rating games. It involved using HTML, creating a sprite menu, hyperlinks, importing pictures and media, of various types of media, audio, pictures, basically what you can expect from a website. And these were all of the pages that I did. I created an about screen as well. If you look even closer, you might notice something a bit unfamiliar. And maybe now, if you see anything, there we go. If you click that very tiny full stop, it brings you to my hidden page, which was something that was quite difficult for all my college friends to find out. And to finish off, this is a selection of work that I did to basically improve my portfolio for college. As you can see, my examples of artwork, hand-drawn. These are 3D screenshots of an environment that I actually created in Google SketchUp Pro 7. All of the things you can see, tables, the horse, even the plane on the top, these were not created by me. These were already assets which I just changed the size and properties of them and put them in. The shape, the alien sort of cross shape, is what I designed. Again, it's all organised myself. The circular rooms, the swimming pool, this was all designed myself. The stairs, it's all different squares which have to be raised up from the floor. Again, this is a technology room and just different views. And the doors, these were all already there, but I had to mould them around each other so that they would fit nicely. And this is an A3 sketch that I drew for my portfolio, well, 2 of them. It was Wayne from Lost Planet and a subway to show 3D. And this was a back cover and a front cover from my game called Lifeless. This was done in Photoshop as well. And that concludes my screen show. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments about any of the work that you've seen or anything else in general, now's the time to ask. Alright, thank you.